Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get a Chrysler 300 key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just wanna have a spare. The information here is also relevant for Chrysler 300M and 300C. In addition, I will go over the different type of Chrysler 300 keys, transponder key, key fob, etc., coding information, the estimated cost, and some great tips to save you time and money. And of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith nearby. Chrysler 300 has two types of keys. One is a key fob, which you get into the vehicle, push the start button, and the car is on. The other option is what we call a regular ignition, the good old way, which you actually have to put the key in the ignition and turn to start the car. Now let's go over each option. For the push to start option we have two key fobs. The first, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 2020. Key with a part number M like Mary, 3 N like Nancy, 408, 21, 302 like in the picture here. The second one is for Chrysler 300 2008, 9, 10 and 11. We have a key with a part number I, Y, Z like zebra, C like cat, 01, C like cat, like in this picture here. And for the regular ignition, Chrysler 300 between 2005, 6 and 7, we have a Y164PT or OHT 692 427AA. This is once again for the regular ignition option. Now, some keys have a keyless entry option, like the top key here, and some don't, like the bottom one. It's exactly the same key with the same chip and the same blade. The only difference is the keyless option. The difference in price is about $30. Now it's time for tip number 1. There are many different key fobs and transponder keys that looks exactly the same. However, they have different chip value inside them, and if you get the wrong key, you get the wrong chip. The wrong chip, and you will not be able to start the car. Here is another example, this time with a key fob. The first key will start the car, the other one will not, because of the wrong chip. So always remember to provide either the exact year, make and model of your car or the VIN number. For example, 2017 Chrysler 300. Now let's go over the estimated cost. You have three options to get a Chrysler 300 key replacement. First, get it online. Second, call an automotive locksmith. And third, tow the car to the dealer. So, key fob online you can get for about $80, and including cutting and coding the key, total about $350. A locksmith, about the same, including the service call, $350 to $370, and the dealer between $4 to $450. A regular ignition, however, is cheaper. Online you can get it for about $35, including coding and cutting, about $220. A locksmith will charge you about $250, and the dealer around $300. Now remember, very important, if you buy a key online, either a key fob or transponder key, you will have to code it with a special machine, like this one. You cannot do it yourself, either the locksmith or the dealer. Now it's time for some tips to save you time and money. First, and most important, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very, very important, as some locksmiths are very busy and some aren't on a given day. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius, so even though their business address may be far from you, they may be helping another customers right next to you. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, everyone is happy. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it. Don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows? Maybe they will give you a better one. That's it. I hope you like this video. I would really appreciate if you can comment below to help other people and tell us how much you paid. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call. Thank you very much.